Have you ever had cucumber plants that started out producing like crazy and then all of a sudden they seem to quit? The vines are still green, the leaves look healthy, but you hardly pick any cucumbers. And if that's happening in your garden, you're not alone. It's one of the most common problems gardeners face in the middle of summer. So the good news is that cucumber plants are usually responding to something that you can fix. So once you understand what they need, you can often get them producing again. So the first reason is that cucumbers aren't being harvested often enough. Cucumber plants are designed to make seeds. When a cucumber gets too large, it starts maturing, then the plant thinks that its job is finished. So instead of producing more flowers and more fruit, it begins to slow down. So the solution is simple. Pick your cucumbers every day or two while they are still young, tender, and at their best eating size. So the more you harvest, the more the plant is encouraged to continue producing. So the second reason is inconsistent watering. So cucumbers grow very quickly and they are made mostly of water. So if the soil swings from very dry to very wet, the plants become stressed. That stress can reduce flowering, slow production, and even cause bitter cucumbers. So the solution is water deeply, keep the soil evenly moist, and protect the soil with a good layer of mulch. So healthy soil that is rich in organic matter acts like a sponge and helps hold the moisture between waterings, and it reduces the stress on the plants. All right, the third reason is that the plants are running out of nutrients. So cucumbers are heavy feeders, and by midsummer they've been growing, flowering, and producing for weeks, and they need to be replenished. So if production starts to slow down, it's often time to feed them again. On our farm, we feed heavy feeder crops like cucumbers every 4 weeks. They keep them growing strong through the season. So a fruit and flower vegetable fertilizer along with compost to feed the soil biology help keeps both the plants and the microbes working together. So a productive cucumber plant isn't just about the plant itself, it's about the entire system underneath it. So when the soil biology is fed, moisture is consistent, the plant has what it needs to grow, and production becomes easier and more reliable. So that's what the abundance garden system is all about. Instead of constantly fixing problems, you'll build a garden where the soil, the plants, and the biology work together. The result is healthier plants, bigger harvests, fewer weeds, and a garden that becomes easier and more enjoyable to grow. So that's exactly why I created the free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-Step Abundance Garden System. It will show you how to build the same type of system that we use here on the farm so you can grow more food with less work and create a garden of your dreams. You'll find the link in the description below.